Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel is specially made for beginners who want to learn Kannada easily. Every video will help you learn simple and useful Kannada words for daily life. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and start learning Kannada with me. Now, let us learn today's Kannada words. Welcome to Learn Kannada Day 2. Today, we will learn some daily Kannada words. Let us start learning Kannada easily. Let us learn our first word. Word number one is water. Word number one is water. In Kannada, water is called Neeru. In Kannada, water is called Neeru. Repeat after me. Neeru. One more time. Neeru. Now, let us learn our next word. Word number two is food. Word number two is food. In Kannada, food is called Uta. Repeat after me. Uta. One more time. Uta. I hope you guys repeat after me. Uta. Food is called Uta. Let us learn our next word. Word number three. Word number three is yes. In Kannada, yes is called Haudu. In Kannada, yes is called Haudu. Repeat after me. Haudu. One more time. Haudu. Now, let us learn our next word. Word number four is no. In Kannada, no is called illa. No is called illa. Repeat after me. Illa. One more time. Illa. Let us learn our next word. Word number five is come. In Kannada, come is called banni. Here, banni is used for speaking with elders. Banni is plural form of come in Kannada. Repeat with me. Banni. One more time. Banni. Now, let us learn our next word. Word number six. Word number six is go. In Kannada, go is called hogi. Here, hogi is the plural form of go in Kannada. Repeat after me. Hogi. One more time. Hogi. Now, let us learn our next word. Word number seven. Word number seven is sit. In Kannada, sit is called kulitukolli. Here, kulitukolli is a plural form of sit in Kannada. I hope you repeat after me. Kulitukolli. Now, let us learn our next word. Word number 8. Word number 8 is eat. In Kannada, eat is called tinni. Here, tinni is the plural form of eat in Kannada. Repeat after me. Tinni. One more time. Tinni. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed learning basic Kannada words. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Kannada for Beginners. Let me know in the comment section below which Kannada word or topic you want to learn next. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.